Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix music failed play track error on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. Click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, so scroll down and search music app from here. Click on Samsung Music. Click on storage, and if you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library and click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Power RAM Music. Power RAM Music and install. And after install, so you will use Power RAM Music from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix music failed play track error on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.